over diversification is one
Yeah.
of the most common
Of course.
mistakes.
So, what are some common mistakes that you see, Tanvi, young investors make when they start out with mutual funds?
I think, as we discussed, over diversification is one
Yeah.
of the most common
Of course.
mistakes. The second is timing the markets. So even if they're sitting on a chunk of money, they say, oh nahi, market thoda sa upar gaya hai, ya markets niche aaya hai,
Right.
let me wait for the markets to come further down. In that wait, they've missed the rally. The markets are not really going to wait in that, good correction mode also for a longer period of time, and they end up not really getting into the markets. The second is looking at specific sectorial or specific theme as, okay, this is my investment philosophy. You can invest a certain percentage of it, but not your entire. As we discussed, the asset allocation has to be clearly defined. So right now, people like defense stocks. People say used to like pharma stocks. Don't really go into one specific sector.
Right.
Don't put 100% of your money in that specific sector. Have a diversified, but not an over diversified strategy. The other part is look at liquidity. Now, one thing as an investor you need to be aware of is how much of the money you're investing is available to you at any given point of time.
Right.
In terms of emergencies, in terms of any use, how much of your money is accessible to you, how much of it is in a lock-in period, and how
Right.
much of it is not. So understanding the nuances of liquidity behind your investment is extremely important.
Right.
And a lot of times people don't really put enough emphasis on that. Another important factor is having a benchmark. So it's not just about investing and saying, oh, my money is doing really good. If the benchmark is only at 10%, 12%, and your investment has only created 10, 12%, you're not really beating a benchmark.
Right.
So have a benchmark, ensure that your investments are beating that benchmark. If not, then look at a review, do a portfolio review, so that you at least understand whether you're doing good or not.
Right.
Anand Rathi Share and Stock Brokers Limited. AMFI registered mutual fund distributor ARN 4478. Anand Rathi Share and Stock Brokers Limited is mutual fund distributor. Mutual funds investments are subject to market risk. Please read all scheme related documents carefully before investing.